So very quickly, in case you missed the beginning of the other video, hopefully Melissa's still here. Melissa, are you still here, hun? Hopefully she is. Melissa from Pretty Little Studio jumped on, which you're here. Good. I'm so glad, Melissa. Because I want you to see and hear all of the amazing things that I know people are going to say about this gorgeous Comfort and Joy collection. Melissa I had told her that I'd be doing this tonight, and she said, oh, I want to jump on. So love it, love it, love it. Okay, Nick's brought the fan, so we're just about good here, guys. All right, so a few things that I want to show you first before we jump into Comfort and Joy. And just know that as I start showing things, we won't have the packaging, so you won't see the glare. It's just all the products in the packaging. You'll see a glare, so don't worry, that'll be fixed. You won't see that, but there's a lot of stuff to share. Hi, Paula. Hi, Gabby. Nice to see you. Okay, friends, so here we go. Thanks, honey. Oh, I'm so glad you're home. I mean, for lots of reasons, but anyhow. All right. So first thing I want to show you, and there are, I don't know, a handful left. I'm going to say maybe 10-ish left. I don't do layout kits very often. I usually focus on Traveler's Notebook stuff, Traveler's Notebook project kits, and then the mini book project kits that you see me do, throughout the year. A couple times a year, I do layout kits because I am teaching layout classes, and that is the case here. This is a layout class that I taught at my friend Dear Lizzie's, not Dear Lizzie, Lizzie Lou's, Dear Lizzie, Lizzie Lou's. Dear Lizzie's a friend of mine too, but not that one. Lizzie Lou's Christmas Bash. That was a couple weekends ago, 2 weekends ago in Anaheim. It was the 7th annual, so we've been doing that for 7 years. I will just put in a little plug for that too, because she is just about ready to put up the registration for the 2024 event. So you can contact me for that and I'll get you information if you need that. Okay, so here we go. This is a layout class that I taught as part of that event, and I had some extra kits, so I put them up on my website. There are two 12 by 12 page, 2 double page spreads. There we go. So that you can see one of the spreads. This one is using the Simple Vintage Dear Santa collection and some enamel dots and the really fun page pieces from Simple Vintage Dear Santa. So that is the first spread that is part of, thank you, Terry. That is the first spread that is part of that layout project kit. That's the first one. I have to be careful with that. Then we have the second spread. The second spread is another, obviously, 12 by 12 double page spread. This one is using the Simple Stories Holiday Life collection. Okay, so Holiday Life. Lots of photos. This one has 6. The other one had 4. So that one you will find on the What's New page on my website. Changed to red today, you guys. I don't know if you noticed. Changed to red. So we're officially red for the season. My little fingernails have gone from the regular everyday, the regular everyday that you always see, kind of the blush pink, to the red. Okay, so that is, that's what the kit makes. And then there's loads of product in the kit. So I'll just show you that real quick. But you can see this on the website as well, linked under What's New. And that link is on the description box of the video. So the enamel dots, the page pieces for Simple Vintage Dear Santa, the page pieces for the Holiday Life. Page pieces are awesome if you haven't ever worked with those. They are larger die cuts. Well, in some cases, larger die cut packs, but they make putting layouts together super easy. 3 little wood veneer circles. And they vary by kit, but there's a green, a red, and a white in each kit. A little bit of twine to kind of hang those little wood veneer circles, and then loads of paper to put together. So that's the base for one, and then the rest of that. Some black cardstock, some white cardstock, and then these two, which are definitely my faves. All right, so there we go. That is the Dear Santa layout kit. And that one, oh, let me just tell you too. You'll see it if you order, but there are 2 of these that are pre-cut for you. 2 of those that are pre-cut for you that are part of that project kit. That one doesn't include a video, but you really don't need it to because you have instructions and then you have the color. You have the color photos. Oopsie, I grabbed a couple things that shouldn't be in there. All right, so that guy, and there are not too many of those left.